All right, what's going on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a good day. Tech tip for the day. You can use this toilet bowl brush to clean blower wheels and evaporators. So I'm doing a maintenance on this carrier split system. And the blower wheel was very dirty, so I brought this brush. It works very well in getting between the grooves, the blades. You can just give it a nice good scrub like that, and it also works pretty well for cleaning evaporators too. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys.